Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video, we will look into the differences between supervisor and manager. The success of the organization depends on its employees and the ones to whom they are accountable, that is, managers and supervisors. Managers are the ones who control and administer the entire enterprise. On the other hand, supervisor is someone who is the leader in the first-line management of the organization and thus looks after the work and performance of the employees. So, let's look into the basic differences between supervisor and manager in a tabular form. Difference number 1. The person who oversees the employees and regulates them to perform the work assigned to them is known as supervisor, whereas the person who manages the resources of the organization to achieve the ultimate goal is known as manager. Number 2. The supervisor is a top position in the lower level management, whereas, in the middle level management the top position is of the manager. Number 3. The supervisor is answerable to the manager for the performance of his team, whereas, the manager is answerable to the board of directors for the performance of his department. Number 4. The supervisor has an entirely introverted approach as he has to look after his men and their work only. Conversely, the manager has an ambivert approach because he has to look after his department along with the external environment. Number 5. The supervisor's task is to supervise people at work, but a manager manages the 5 M's of the organization, that is, men, money, machinery, material, method. Number 6. The supervisor is responsible for people working under him and their activities, whereas a manager is responsible for people and things as well. Number 7. A supervisor has no right to hire or fire employees, but he can recommend it, whereas the manager can hire or fire employees. And difference number 8. A supervisor focuses on people and their actions, whereas a manager focuses on people and things.